Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Chatfuel's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Chatfuel's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Chatfuel application. The home page of Chatfuel application will appear on the screen. You can sign up for your Chatfuel's account with your Google account or your Facebook account as well. Here, I'm going to choose continue with Google. Now enter your email address and tap on next. Enter your password and click on next once again. Click on show password option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. It will log you into your Chatfuel's account in no time. This is how you can sign up for your Chatfuel's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.